Ensuring safety while driving involves making sure that your vehicle is in tip-top shape, including the integrity of your windshield and windows. Dirty windshields and glass windows can significantly reduce the visibility of the road, substantially increasing the risk of figuring in a traffic accident. Bugs, road oil, dirt and dust, tree sap, and even road salt can all reduce the efficiency of your windshield. As such, it is important to clean your car's glass as part of your routine car care. To help you get the best results, we searched the market for the best auto glass cleaners, so you can start working on your car's glass windows immediately. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best auto glass cleaner from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner. One of the best things going on for the Stoner Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner is that it efficiently removes the thin film that eventually builds up over time because of the accumulation of dirt and other particles emanating from the environment. You can say that this thin film is pretty much like the biofilm that bacteria in the mouth produce on the surface of the teeth. The unique chemical formulation of the Stoner Invisible Glass Premium makes it super easy to break down this thin film without leaving any scent, marks, or any other signs of imperfection on your car's glass. It can be used both on the inside and outside surfaces of the windshield or glass panels. And like the other glass cleaners in this list, folks especially love the way the Stoner Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner easily cleaned any glassy surface without leaving streaks or marks. Number 2. Sprayway SW05012 Glass Cleaner. Another effective car glass cleaner that is getting the nod of many car enthusiasts is Sprayway's Glass Cleaner. It has a heavy-duty formulation that is really tough on dirt, particles, dust, and even grime and oil that may have splattered on your windshield, as well as other glass surfaces. While Sprayway is tough against surface contaminants, it is considered to be gentle on the natural surface of your glass. It doesn't provide a protective barrier, however. Nevertheless, Number 3. 3M08888 Glass Cleaner. The problem with conventional glass cleaners is that they are mostly liquid with the potential for dripping and runoffs every time. With 3M's Glass Cleaner, however, you don't have to worry about messy drips and runoffs, since its formulation is that of a no-drip foam. While it may look messy at first, it is a lot easier to apply, since the cleaner stays onto the surface where it is sprayed on. This is unlike other glass cleaners that will result in runoffs, so you have to be really fast in wiping it off. Like most aerosol sprays, the 3M Glass Cleaner should be shaken very well prior to use to create a fine mist. It provides a no-streak deep clean for your glass, cutting through even the most stubborn grease and grime. Number 4. Megear's G8224 Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner. Most car detailers use Megear's products in their car detailing projects. You no longer have to bring your car to a professional car detailer, just so you can remove dirt and stubborn grime off of your windshield and other glass surfaces in your car. You only need Megear's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner. Its formulation is that of a professional-grade glass cleaner, but in a unique easy-to-use spray home preparation. The Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner comes with a unique anti-haze formulation to give you sparkling clear glass with each application. It is also super safe to use on tinted windows, so you don't have to worry about ruining your perfect film. It is very important, however, to follow the directions for its use to ensure best results. Number 5. Driven Extreme Duty Glass Cleaner. If your main issue in your car's glass is hard water stains as well as etched-in dirt and debris, then you may find Driven's Extreme Duty Glass Cleaner formulation to be up to the task. The special chemical formulation has been proven to break up the molecular bonds of calcium and mineral deposits or buildup, severe hard water stains, salt spray deposits, heavy lime scales, alkali stains and deposits, rust accumulation, paint over spray, mold and mildew buildup, and many more. The whole point is to use Extreme Duty Glass Cleaner for the toughest and meanest cleaning jobs you can think of. These are the kind of tasks that even professionals will have to say no, since it would be virtually impossible to remove such stains. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.